Dear students, today we are going to discuss about Logisim. So first of all, go to this link where you can download Logisim software. Click on a download, then this file will be downloaded. Go to your download folders and you will find Logisim application. When you double click on this application, sometimes Java update pop-up will appear. Click on a OK in the pop-up and it will redirect you to download Java. Download Java and update the system. After again come on your Logisim application and just double click on this application. So as you can see now my Logisim is started. As you can see this big area, white area is called canvas where you can design your circuits. This is all information, all gates, all information circuits are available in this area, and this is one circuit area. Okay, so here we have different tools that we can use to create our circuits. Let's discuss it one by one. Okay, so first of all you can see this is poke tool. Sign of this poke tool is of hand. Okay, so this poke tool will help you to change the values in a circuit. Next is selection or a edit tool. Okay, with this tool you can select the circuit or edit any information in already created circuit. Then this text tool. Text tool will help you to insert text in your circuit. Now you can see this tool. It is of square with a round circle in it. Okay, this is input pin. Okay, through input pin you can set input in your circuit. Likewise, this is output pin. With an output pin you can set output in your circuit and display the result of the output. So input pin is with a square bracket and output pin is a round. Now similarly here these are basic gates. This is NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. You can directly use three gates from here. Also whenever you are going to this area, here this is called all gates. Here you can have NOT gate, AND gate, OR, NAND, NOT, XOR, XNOR. Okay, all gates are available here. This is just a shortcut. You can use any of these. Similarly, we have multiplexer, decoder. All these circuits are available in this given folder. Okay, so this is about basic Logisim. Now, for example, we want to create one circuit. So, for example, we are going to create this XOR circuit. Okay, so in this circuit we have two NOT gate, two AND gate and one OR gate. Okay, so we are going to design this circuit in a Logisim. So for that, first of all let me select AND gate. So I will click on AND gate. Here as you can see, whenever I am clicking on AND gate, here we have some properties about AND gate. Okay, so and whenever we are on a canvas you can see now your cursor is of like this. Okay, so whenever you want to put your AND gate, just click on that area. Suppose I want to click or put AND gate here, so I am clicking here. Now my AND gate is placed. As you can see now in the attribute, this facing is east. Whenever I am changing to north, south, as you can see the direction of a AND gate is changing. So you can set according to data bits. Data bits is of 32 and here you can change likewise. gate size is medium, and number of inputs is 5. Here you can see the small blue dots. These are the inputs that you can apply. Okay, here whenever you are taking the cursor, one small green circle is there, so you can place input. Here we don't need 5 inputs, so we are going to change it to 2. So as you can see now, we have only 2 inputs. Output value is either 0 or 1. Label, here we don't have any label, but you can give any label you want. You can set the fonts and all the areas. Okay, so similarly I will select another and get and place it here. Again I'm going to change the value of inputs to now. As per the circuit, now I'm going to add to AND gate. So for that, let me click on AND NOT gate. So I am copying NOT gate. Similarly all the attributes of a NOT gate. Now you can directly copy Ctrl C and Ctrl V by selecting gates. So you can directly copy the gates. Okay, now I'm selecting OR gate from here and place it here. Here also I have 5 inputs, so I'm going to change it to 2. Okay, so as you can see, we have created all the gates. Okay, we have not connected all the gates, but we have just inserted all required gates. I will ask all of you to do the similar practice so that this circuit can be easy. Now we are going to give 2 inputs. First, our input is X, that is we are applying to NOT gate. So for that I am going to click one here input and place it here. Similarly another input, that is I am placing here. Okay, now I am connecting this input with a NOT gate. As you can see in the input, whenever I am taking my cursor right here, one circle is appeared. Similarly in the NOT gate I have one input here. Okay, in the NOT gate also, whenever I am taking my cursor here, one circle is appear, that is output. So first I am going to connect input with a NOT gate. To connect the input with a gate, just click on input and drag one line with a NOT gate. Okay, as you can see now the line is green, that means our input is connected to NOT gate. Okay, now I'm going to connect NOT gate with a AND gate. Okay, so I am applying NOT gate with a AND gate. Now suppose I am dragging a line here and I am just place it in between. So as you can see, the color of this line is dark or light green compared to this green. That means this line is not connected with any gate. So I'm going to connect with a AND gate. Okay, as you can see, my input is connected to NOT gate and output of a NOT gate is connected to first input of AND gate, like the here. Similarly I will do with another input. Okay, now here we are going to apply the first input as the second input of a AND gate. So I'm going to just drag one line here like this. Similarly okay, so as you can see I have connected this part of circuit. Now I'm going to set the output of a AND gate as the input of a OR gate. So I am connecting these lines. Okay, as you can see, my entire circuit is connected. Now I want to connect this output of OR gate. So I'm going to click on output and just add with this. Okay, as you can see, my entire circuit is completed. Here I have two inputs and out. Now I want to add name. So I will go to this input and just apply the label here X. So as you can see, X is appear. Similarly, here another input is Y. Okay, and here output is X XOR Y. So output will be our X XOR Y. Now using walk tool, I am going to change the value of the input. So whenever I am selecting walk tool, my cursor is changed to hand. Okay, so I am going to change the value of input X. So just I will move my cursor to the input and click on input X. So as you can see, whenever I'm clicking on input X, the value of input X is changed to 0 to 1. And as you can see, as the value is changing, our output is changing. Similarly, if I change the value of input Y, so here I am going to change the value of Y. So as you can see, now again our output is changing, and as per the XOR, whenever we have two similar inputs, whether it can be 0 or 1, our output remains 0. And if any input is different, then our output is 1. So it is satisfying the properties of XOR gate. That means here our circuit is fully functional. Okay. Now suppose here in the let me select edit tool. Here I am selecting data bits as of 1. Okay, but here in the NOT gate I am changing data bits to 2. So as you can see, now the color of the line is changed to orange, and here it is red. That means there is something error available in your circuit. So make sure whenever you are connecting any gates or any inputs value, whatever data bits you are keeping, keep the same in all the gates and other circuits. Otherwise it will show you error. Also make sure to connect all the lines properly with your input and output.